What's up guys, Max here and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today is an After Effects basics, but we want to make a realistic bouncing ball animation inside of After Effects and not spend a lot of time doing it. And right before we get started, as always guys, feel free to check out filmit.io, a resource made by creatives for creatives. Assets, plugins, you name it, we got it. Go check it out today. Super simple, let's add our object. In this case, it's a bouncing ball. Let's use the pan behind tool to change where our anchor point is. Just drag it to here. Great. So now we need to drop down on this tag, drop down on transform, and then right click position and do separate dimensions because we only want to animate the Y position here. Now let's take the Y position and let's drag it to the bottom of the screen. By doing this, it allows us to just select the Y position, do the keyframe, go down to about 12 seconds, and we'll go back up to the top where it's going to bounce up, then copy our bottom tag keyframe right here, go down to about 1 second right here, and if we look, we should see where this is basically a bounce. Up and down, perfect. That's what we want. Let's highlight all these keyframes. Let's go ahead and open our graph editor right here. If your graph editor looks like mine, it's correct. If not, you're going to right click and do edit value graph. It may be set to speed, that's okay. Right click, edit value graph. Now what you want to do is grab this tool right here, convert vertex tool, and then go to this bottom keyframe right here and hold shift, grab it and drag it out. Very simple. Now, if we do the thing, it seems like a realistic bounce. Now to make it look a little nicer, go a little extra step beyond, right click new, adjustment layer, go to effects and presets, drag CC Force motion blur onto adjustment layer, and then let's hit play. Now that there's nice motion blur and it looks like a nice bounce, and we're all done. As always guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.